There are some times when you want to take an equation which is written in slope-intercept form and you want to convert it into general form. And the format for general form is ax plus by is equal to c. And so what we're saying here is that you have a term with x, a term with y equals, and then a constant or a number on the right hand side. So when we look at what we have a term with y on the left, but our term with x is on the right hand side, and we're going to want to move that to the other side. However, usually in general form, we don't want to have any fractions in the equation, so we want to multiply by whatever denominator we need to, least common denominator, in order to clear those fractions. So the first step here says get rid of fractions, and we're seeing that we have denominators of 2. So I'm going to multiply both the left and the right hand side by 2. And when I multiply by 2, I get 2y on the left is equal to, and then 2 times 3 halves is going to just give us 3 times the x, and then minus, and then 2 times 5 halves will give us just 5. Next, what we want to do is, again, looking at this format, we want the x term to go to the left. So we will subtract off the 3x, and we have a negative 3x plus 2y is equal to, and on the right hand side, we've got that negative 5. And then finally, the last conditions for putting something in general form is it's usually accepted that the x term is going to be positive. So we can change the signs of all the terms, including the x term, by simply dividing both sides of the equation by -1, which essentially changes the sign of each term. So we end up with positive 3x, and then positive 2y divided by -1 becomes negative 2y. And that's equal to a negative 5. And now we have a general form equation which fits into the format which is shown above.